Yzzy, commiserations, that must be a really tough one to take.
Yeah, look, I think for large spells of that game we were in control, so yeah, to sort of lose a final in that manner doesn't feel great, to be honest.
No, I'm sure it doesn't. And, you know, when you go up, as you did, to score 2 goals so early in the second half as well, where do you feel that perhaps concentration lapsed then? Was it as simple as that?
No, look, I think we've conceded a goal with 2 players off the pitch. We just haven't managed those moments properly, and I think, look, for us, we have to learn from that moving forward. But yeah, it obviously really hurts today.
Yeah, I'm sure. I can well believe it. And then to go to penalties as we did, and for someone whose story with Swansea City was coming to a close today as well, you know, a cruel way to have a penalty saved at the end there for Stacey John as well.
Yeah, look, she'll be devastated about that, but we've got to know what she's done for us as a club over the many years that she's been here. So, look, that's not the storyline today. I think the storyline has to be that she's played 250 games for Swansea City, and she's been immense in every single one of those. So we're immensely proud to have her as part of our squad, and we'll get through this together.
Not only for Swansea City, but also for the women's game here in Wales, I must add. Can I ask, you've had a moment to go and speak to the girls at this point, Yzzy. What words of commiseration have you offered them?
I don't really think there's much you can say. Obviously, look, we're gutted. We put ourselves in a good position, and we've got to be able to manage that. So, yeah, look, we're devastated, and it's not the way that we wanted to end the season, but we'll have to make sure that we pick each other up ready for next season.
Appreciate you coming over to speak to us. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Thank you.